Jila Sangmala, Dene, Diringa, Dragon Hotel, Songsteniale, Skipo Draman, Ika, Lashio Diale, Dene, Diringati, Ladakh Senanga, Ta, finally, low palangisting, Taika, disability fia, halale, differently able people unifia, rules and regulations, jik, edukchesino, Yamte fia. Ngatika tabi ra suggestions rik tangala ra opinion rik tangala invitation le barang yale tini diding ngase pura chisang mastanin heli okay. Here we are. Ika conference meeting jik chano yale. PWD, person with disabilities sefia. Teningi ut thangma ropes tanin hele. Ini yale. Teni chachu sino. Let's see. Oh, ramp. Upgrade. There it is, right there. Workshop for chalking out, action plan for empowering person with disabilities. Yay! disABILITys.
Stephen Hawking, a personality the world knows. He says, and I guess this goes to every single person, despite physical or mental disabilities or any other problems. He says, my advice to other disabled people would be, concentrate on things your disability doesn't prevent you doing well, and don't regret the things it interferes with. Don't be disabled in spirit as well as physically.
And then the volunteers and the voluntary organization, you'll have to be very proactive and push career departments. जो आप लोग के requirement है, I think there will be a lot of give and take today. Things which are possible in short term, things which are possible in long term. So all the volunteers and experts will have to push the departments into talking out a strategy, a doable action plan. So this is broadly how it is. 4 o'clock, Honorable LG will join us.
What's your name? Okay. Ajay. Okay. Now, if you to finish the target, okay, let's see you check. अरे मेरे पास है, अरे ये क्यों ले लो? 5 हो गया, मेरा टारगेट फिनिश करना है. See?
Yes,
right?
yes, right.
So that is dependency, creating more dependency on the government. Whereas here, as they won in the race, equal responsibility, equal rights. Government has a right to do exercise, an issue, and civil society has the equal rights.
Economic empowerment of people with disabilities. We have a skill training center.
We'll have some lunch. Yes. Anywhere would be fine, Ajay. Look at this. Wow. It's my first time here. There's my beautiful sister. Tene tansre meri kainya le tene ngaya se discussion tema pojos tene akazer dupin education is bihalale education ite mampu spera tangos tene tenanga la problem sama shared spin tene halaka zuwa admission thopche sena kapocharu kajuwa helper yamiru samasha tene share stanani interior butte demo do yale kanzikta dada Gonpen ande kan jok miro leyo. Conference meeting ta lunch sting na chachi sino yale. You samulanga cha bichi interview fia samboda ra yale. Ne wadi interview dik sting na yang conference in those time. Ili ako lang. Ganyan na chili yang po na zorang kura chatin. Ngaya rangis ka. Hala chili. Ooh, self-service. So nice. Thank you. Ini pura tingnan. Pura ice cream mo. Nenek ko yan dragon hotel. Look who's watching us. Hello. Oh, that's kind of creepy, but nice decorations. Lunch dosa, tayang lok de chachi sumayali. Ini Max. Oh. Chinachile. Let's go, baby.
हर एक स्कूल में एक तो ये दक्षा यूनिवर्सल of education, while the fourth one, the IC part, will target the psychological barriers of education.
Stakeholders sit together and devise an action plan, sir. So based on that, we have this one-day workshop in which we had departments of health, public works department, urban development, we have school education, sir, higher education also, and social welfare department. Besides transport, we have officers from the transport department as well. So I would like to, sir, acknowledge the participation of 3 national level experts who had been here. So they gave us detailed presentation and also guided different working groups and have been instrumental in drawing out certain strategies.
With Samarthana. He has actually working with me. He does this with Samarthana. Now, what a treat to mentor. Thank you to both of you. And I would also like to call on stage Advocate. बहुत ज़्यादा हमें फायदा होने वाला है. Thank you. 1995, and Mahabodhi Visually Impaired School was established in 2006.
Tea break.
First, I would say is accessibility, particularly to the government buildings, whether existing or planned. Now, this is something which can be done, doesn't cost you too much.
Time buni 5:51 charuk pitok song sar in ngaya diring ima atsere ikaduk spinyale tini mana minoro gyala karkyang tuks yang. The best part was the discussion. Finally, Kampalipsle. Then that was it for today. Oh, one thing. I'm so sorry. Ngase zerte pin ki ngase video gyoxpat na anzerte. Magar you mane almost lo chik song. I'm so sorry. ये वीडियो तांचे जत पिन्याले मगर ननिंग बोपत स्कूल ना assignment जरा चोक तो चोक मग बोत पिन तने वीडियोस तांगे चोस पिन्याले मगर editing जो जपत time मसो तांगा ई वीडियो almost logic is thing na tang sonokta exam last suk page last inches rock tene like and subscribe to me na choza. Thank you, bye bye. Comment yun na sang ka dia za tele